Definition of ET intubation. Endotracheal intubation is the placement of a flexible plastic tube into the trachea to maintain an open airway or to serve as a conduit through which to administer certain drugs. Removal of secretions from tracheobronchial tree through an endotracheal tube with the help of a mechanical suction device. Purpose: to maintain a patent airway or clear airway by removing secretions, to prevent lower respiratory tract infection from retained secretions, to administer oxygen, to ventilate the lungs are the purpose of ET intubation. Indications: CNS depression. CNS depression means central nervous system depression, a physiological state that can result in a decreased rate of breathing, decreased heart rate, and loss of consciousness, possibly leading to coma or death. Neuromuscular disease, chest wall injury, upper airway obstruction, aspiration prophylaxis, fractured vertebrae, and spinal cord are the indications of endotracheal intubation. Articles required: a clean tray containing sterile suction catheter with cover, number 12 to 16 for adult, number 8 to 10 for child, sterile water or normal saline in a container, sterile gloves, masks, face shield and gown if appropriate, kidney tray, alcohol swabs, stethoscopes. A sterile tray containing sterile towel, bowl, gauze pieces. Additional articles: resuscitation bag with a reservoir connected to 100% oxygen source, suction source, portable suction machine or wall suction unit. These are the articles which are required during endotracheal intubation. Technique of intubation: raise the head by 5 cm with a block or towel roll. Contraindication: severe airway trauma or obstruction that does not permit safe way of an ET tube. Emergency cricothyrotomy is indicated in such cases. Cricothyrotomy is an incision made through the skin and cricothyroid membrane to establish a patent airway. Cervical spine injury. These are the contraindications of endotracheal intubation. Size: from 2 mm to 16 mm. Internal diameter: the size of the tube can be determined by internal diameter of endotracheal tube in millimeter. Age in years divided by 4 plus 4. Roughly the diameter of the child's little finger is the same as that required for the ETT. Based on age and weight, the inner diameter of the endotracheal tube is different. Age, weight, inner diameter in millimeter. Newborn 3 kg, 2.5 to 3 mm. 0 to 6 months, 3 to 5 kg, 3 to 3.5 mm. 6 to 12 months, 7 kg, 3.5 to 4 mm. 1 to 3 years, 10 to 12 kg, 4 to 4.5 mm. 4 to 7 years, 16 to 18 kg, 5 to 5.5 mm. 8 to 10 years, 24 to 30 kg, 5.5 to 6.5 mm. Adult female, weight is not mentioned. For adult female, internal diameter of the tube is 7 to 7.5 mm. Adult male, weight is not mentioned. For adult male, inner diameter of the tube is 8 to 9 mm. Position for intubation: position your patient in supine position with head extended by keeping sandbag or towel roll under the neck. In supine position, patient lies on his back with his head and shoulders are slightly elevated. Procedure: nursing action rationale. Explain procedure to the patient if conscious and get consent from patient and relatives. It is mandatory to ask consent before doing any procedure. Promotes acceptance of procedure and cooperation for procedure from patient. Place patient in supine position with head extended by keeping sandbag or towel roll under the neck. Promotes access to trachea. Check for loose teeth or denture. If so, remove with the maxills forceps. To avoid airway obstruction, loose teeth denture should be checked. Avoids danger of loose teeth causing airway obstruction. Seal mouth and nose with masks and ambu bag and initiate bagging with oxygen. Provide laryngoscope to doctor. Suction oral cavity. Provides clear field of work and prevents aspiration when performing oral tracheal insertion. Provide lubricated endotracheal tube with Sileti in situ. Facilitates insertion without chance of injury. Press cricothyroid cartilage with thumb and index finger against esophagus. Permits clear visualization of oropharynx for insertion. Assist while endotracheal tube is introduced into trachea and remove ciliary. The tube when inserted should have the 200 cm marking at the incisor teeth, and tube should be fixed off the middle line to prevent pressure under the angle of the mouth. Verify placement of tube by auscultation, listening or feeling for airway flow through tube and observe for bilateral chest movement. Confirms tube placement. Connect ambu bag with oxygen attached to endotracheal tube. Prevent chance of tube displacement and aspiration. Inflate cup of the endotracheal tube with 10 ml of air. Insert an oral airway and apply endotracheal suctioning if necessary. For endotracheal tube in position by using adhesive tape. Connect to ventilator if needed. Confirmation of ET tube placement. Direct visualization, chest auscultation, gastric auscultation, back resistance, exhaled volume, visualization of condensation within the ETT, chest radiography, all are prone to failure as means of confirming tracheal intubation. These are the confirmation of ET tube placement. Conclusion. Adequate ventilation is dependent on free movement of air through the upper and lower airways. In many conditions, foreign body or secretions, maintaining a patent open airway is achieved through meticulous airway management, whether in an emergency situation such as airway obstruction or in the long-term management, as in caring for a patient with an endotracheal tube. Lastly, endotracheal intubation provides an artificial medium between the atmosphere and the patient trachea for the purpose of alveolar gas exchange or protection of the lungs from inappropriate substance. The patient is connected to the mechanical ventilator to provide continuous respiration with an endotracheal tube to facilitate the placement of the endotracheal tube. General anesthesia induction is applied to patients who will be operated and have sufficient fasting time. Thank you.